Hello, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving right into how to use Monday.com for publishing workflows, a vital tool for managing your publishing process efficiently. First up, let's create a new board. Go to the left sidebar, click on Add, then Board. Name it something relevant to your project, like Publishing Workflow. This is your command center. It's where all the magic happens. And the reason we create this is to have a dedicated space for every important detail of your publishing process. Now that we've done that, it's time to add your columns. Columns represent different stages of your publishing workflow. Click on Add Column and customize them according to your requirements. You might want to consider columns like Ideas, Drafting, Editing, Design, and Publishing. By doing this, you have a clear visual representation of each step in the workflow, making it easier to monitor progress. Next up, let's add our tasks, or as Monday.com likes to call them, pulses. Click on Add Pulse, type in your task, and hit Enter. Repeat this for all your tasks. This helps us because each pulse represents a specific job that needs to be done, keeping everyone on the same page. Now let's assign tasks. Click on a pulse, then click on Assignee and select a team member from the drop-down menu. The reason we do this is to make it clear who's responsible for what, ensuring accountability and efficiency. Lastly, we'll set deadlines. Click on a pulse, select Date, and pick a due date from the calendar. This is crucial because deadlines keep your team on track and ensure that your publishing workflow runs like a well-oiled machine. Here's what's happening behind the scenes. Monday.com is automatically organizing and tracking your workflow. Let me explain why this matters. It saves you tons of time, reduces the chance of tasks falling through the cracks, and ensures a smooth publishing process. And there you have it, a quick guide on how to use Monday.com for your publishing workflows. Remember, the key to a successful workflow is clear communication and efficient organization. With Monday.com, you're well equipped for both. Thanks for watching and happy publishing.